हेलो, मैं हूं मंदिरा बेदी और मेरे साथ है क्विज मास्टर आदित्य नाथ मुबाई और ये है LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016। देश की सबसे बड़ी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का गौरव हासिल करने वाली LIC ने कंप्लीट किए हैं 60 शानदार साल। एक सुरक्षित भविष्य, जीवन और सपनों को साकार करने वाली LIC ने इन 60 सालों में आपका भरोसा जीत लिया है।
और इन्हीं 60 भरोसे भरे सालों को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए आज हम देश के कोने कोने से लाए हैं स्मार्ट युवाओं को। और इस कार्यक्रम में हम इनके जौहर देखेंगे जिसका नाम है LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016।
जी हाँ, इस क्विज में देश के 8 शहरों से हमने चुने हैं सबसे बेस्ट टीम्स जो पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे सेमीफाइनल्स में और उनमें से 4 आगे बढ़ेंगे फाइनल्स की तरफ।
और जो जीतेगा फाइनल उसके सर पे सजेगा LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016 का ताज। मिलेंगे कई आकर्षक इनाम, ट्रॉफी, सर्टिफिकेट। और आइए चलते हैं, खेलते हैं LIC डायमंड जुबली क्विज 2016।
Aditya, semi-finals and finals going to be bigger and better. Better how? Because हमारे साथ है एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट। जी हाँ, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट इरफान के लिए। इरफान, can we invite you on stage just for a few minutes, please?
वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड।
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज के सेमीफाइनल राउंड के बारे में?
मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा, ये बहुत लकी हैं, बहुत टैलेंटेड लोग हैं जो सेमीफाइनल राउंड तक पहुँच गए हैं
जी।
मैं तो इनिशियल राउंड भी नहीं क्रॉस कर पाता। मैं इसीलिए आया हूँ ताकि मैं एंटरटेन हो सकूँ, मैं जान सकूँ कितना लोगों की जनरल नॉलेज अच्छी है।
Today we're going to find out which of these teams is going to make it through to the national finale.
Also, हम बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं कि थोड़ी सी हमारी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो हम आपको देने वाले हैं। वेल, इट्स रियली वंडरफुल हैविंग यू हियर। बहुत मज़ा आएगा।
थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल द टीम्स।
आपका सिंहासन इट अवेट्स यू। ऑल राइट, सो आदित्य अगर आप तैयार हैं, इरफान अगर आप तैयार हैं, हम टीम्स को बुलाएं। द सेमीफाइनल टीम्स आर एज फॉलोज। टीम ए, द टीम दैट won it Patna.
Can we have NIT Rourkela, please?
आगे बढ़ते हैं towards Team B, the team that won in Bhopal.
National Law Institute University, NLIU, Bhopal.
और अब जो टीम हैदराबाद में जीती, टीम C, can we have you on stage please?
Osmania Medical College.
एंड फाइनली जिस टीम के साथ हमने शुरुआत की, एक्चुअली जिस सिटी के साथ हमने शुरुआत की, दैट्स दिल्ली। तो दिल्ली की टीम, द विनिंग टीम फ्रॉम दिल्ली, कैन वी हैव यू ऑन स्टेज प्लीज?
Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies.
एट द आउटसेट मैं आप सबसे कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। वाकई ये लग रहा है ये एक सेमीफाइनल राउंड है। बहुत फॉर्मली ड्रेस्ड है, बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं। all 4 teams looking very sharp, looking very smart.
And I'm very glad to see that I'm not the only one with a tie on stage
I know.
for the first time.
It's nice to see them. वो पहले सिटी राउंड्स में सब थोड़े कैजुअली ड्रेस थे और अब सबसे फॉर्मल गियर पहन के खड़े हैं, तैयार हैं। कौन नर्वस है? Anyone nervous? I don't think so.
No, but don't look so stressed. This is just another day in paradise.
So on this day in paradise, can we introduce the teams? Can we have the teams introduce themselves? तो आप प्लीज टीमें अपना नाम बताइए और अपने इमोशंस भी हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिए।
Okay. Hi everyone. I'm Nishant from NIT Rourkela. I'm not feeling nervous. I'm feeling very nervous.
I'm not feeling nervous, I'm very nervous.
I'm Prathamesh from NIT Raulkela as well. I'm also very nervous at the moment.
ठीक है, moving on, team B.
Hi, this is Milind Ghosh from National Law University, Bhopal. And apart from being nervous, I'm also feeling privileged to stand with some of the best teams from India. And I hope that we have a good round today.
Very nicely said.
Well said, Milind. I'm Probal De, also from NLIU Bhopal. And I like to say that I'm optimistic. But again, I know that this place is full of the best quizzing talents in the country. So hopefully we're going to have a very good round.
Optimistic is the best way to be, given where you are right now. Moving on, team C, आप क्या कहेंगे?
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudhir Mane. I am a house surgeon at Osmania General Hospital and Osmania Medical College. And I am really excited to be here with Irfan sir and Mandira ma'am and Aditya sir here on stage. I am looking forward to have a great day today.
Hello everyone, I'm Syed Murtaza Hashmi from Osmania Medical College, third year. And I'm just looking forward to have a good time here and have some fun quizzing.
Good time, I like that. I like the optimism, I like the good time. अब आपको भी ऐसे ही high note पर आगे बढ़ना है. Team D.
I'm Gaurav Jana from CBS Delhi, and I'm feeling pretty nervous at this time, but let's see what happens.
Right. I'm Ravteej Singh from Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. I'm studying finance. I'm in my third year. And I'm feeling quite optimistic that we'll get to see a pretty good quiz. I mean, I have no doubts that Mr. Mumbai would have prepared a wonderful quiz for us. And our plus Lashan.
ये semi-finals है, no pressure, and all the very best. आगे बढ़ने से पहले इरफान, हम आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं, if you have something to share, कोई success mantra, कोई words of encouragement हमारे 4 teams के लिए.
I think I would like to tell them that when I went to drama school, I was, for me, that was the only place I could have survived. For me, it was question of life and death. What I'm trying to tell you that, if I would have just enjoyed being there, I would have learned much more than rather being, stressed by whether will I learn it or I will be actor or I won't be actor. So I think if you play the game just to enjoy it, that's the best thing. I have learned that when you're playing the game, you should play it the best, but don't worry about losing and winning.
इस सेमीफाइनल में सब कुछ बिगर और बेटर है, ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स है, ज़्यादा वक्त है, ज़्यादा राउंड्स है. You know about most of the rounds. एक राउंड जो है जो इरफान होस्ट करेंगे, उसके बारे में हम आपको बाद में बताएंगे. बट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद नीड फॉर स्पीड. आमतौर पे नीड फॉर स्पीड में 30 सेकंड आपको दिए जाते थे सवाल के जवाब देने के लिए. अब आपको 60 सेकंड दिए जाएंगे. यू कैन आंसर अ मैक्सिमम ऑफ 12 क्वेश्चंस. हर सही जवाब के लिए 20 पॉइंट. इसमें कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है. तो अगर आप तैयार हैं टीम ए, should we get going? आपका समय शुरू होता है अब.
Which company manufactures cardboard virtual reality headsets?
Cardboard virtual reality headsets. Nintendo.
Incorrect. For which football club did Steven Gerrard play post his Liverpool career?
Chelsea.
Incorrect. Which South American country's capital is Bogota?
Colombia.
Is correct. In which 2007 film did Irfan play Cal Penn's father?
Pass.
Who was the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty of Magad?
Pass.
Who became the acting Prime Minister of India after Lal Bahadur Shastri's death in 1960?
Gulzari Lal Nanda.
Is correct. What is sodium carbonate decahydrate commonly known as?
Borax.
Incorrect. Which specialized agency of the UN is currently headed by Irina Bokova?
UNDP.
Incorrect. Which festival marks the beginning of the harvest year in Kerala? You can take that.
Pongal.
Is not correct either. NIT Rourkela. जो आपने गलत जवाब दिए मैं आपको दे देता हूं, या जो आपने पास किए. Cardboard virtual reality headsets are made by Google. Steven Gerrard played for LA Galaxy after playing for Liverpool. The 2007 film in which Irfan played the role of Kal Penn's father is The Namesake. The last ruler of the Nanda dynasty of Magad was Dhanananda. He was dethroned by Chandragupta Maurya. Sodium carbonate decahydrate is commonly called washing soda. And the specialized agency of the UN, currently headed by Irina Bokova, is UNESCO. The festival that marks the beginning of the harvest year in Kerala is called Vishu. Total of 40 points to begin this round. NIT Rourkela, you've opened your account.
अब बारी है टीम बी की. It's time for भोपाल.
और ये राउंड भोपाल आपका सेट. मंदिरा पूछेंगी आपसे.
याद रखिए, अगर आपको सवाल का जवाब नहीं पता तो प्लीज पास कीजिए.
टीम बी NLIU भोपाल, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब.
In which field did Sir Ronald Ross receive the Nobel Prize in 1902?
Medicine.
Correct. Which national political party in India is currently headed by Sharad Pawar?
NCP, the Nationalist Congress Party.
Correct. Which team of the World Kabaddi League is co-owned by Sonakshi Sinha?
Patna Pirates.
Incorrect. Which company had recently introduced the Voco software?
Pass.
Which character did Irfan portray in the TV show Chandrakanta?
Pass.
In which city are the headquarters of the World Bank Group situated?
Paris.
Geneva.
Incorrect. On which festive day was the Khalsa Panth established by Guru Gobind Singh Ji?
Pass.
Who is the current brand ambassador of Vivo?
Katrina Kaif.
Incorrect. Which team of the World Kabaddi League is co-owned by Sonakshi Sinha? That is the United Singhs. Which company had recently introduced the Voco software? Adobe. Which character did Irfan portray in the TV show Chandrakanta? Badrinath and Somnath. In which city are the headquarters of the World Bank Group situated? Washington, D.C. On which festive day was the Khalsa Panth established by Guru Gobind Singh? Baisakhi. And finally, who is the current brand ambassador of Vivo? इसका सही जवाब है रणवीर सिंह. आपने कटरीना कैफ कहा. Okay, 40 is the score to beat. Team C, हैदराबाद, अगर आप तैयार हैं, आपका समय शुरू होता है अब.
In which country would you visit the ancient city of Alexandria?
Egypt.
Correct. Which character did Irfan voice in the Hindi version of the Jungle Book?
Bagheera.
Incorrect. Which was the first private company to successfully launch rockets into orbit?
Pass. Oh, it is SpaceX.
You said pass. Of which state is Raman Singh the current chief minister?
Haryana.
Incorrect. How do we better know the sweet-smelling compound trichloromethane?
Pass.
No.
Which dynasty succeeded the Tughlaqs to reign the Delhi Sultanate?
What? Can you repeat the question?
Which dynasty succeeded the Tughlaqs to reign over the Delhi Sultanate?
Pass.
Mughal dynasty.
Which Indian author has written 13 Steps to Bloody Good Luck?
Pass.
In which athletic event did Varun Bhati represent India in the 2016 Rio Paralympics?
Discus throw.
Incorrect. मैं आपको उन सवालों के जवाब दे दूं जिनके आपने गलत जवाब दिए या पास किया. Irfan voiced the character of Balu in the Jungle Book. SpaceX was the first private company to send rockets into orbit. Raman Singh is the current Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. The sweet-smelling compound trichloromethane is commonly called chloroform, which is used to anesthetize people at times. The Tughlaqs were succeeded to the Delhi Sultanate rule by the Sayyids. The Indian author who has written 13 Steps to Bloody Good Luck is Ashwin Sanghi. Varun Bhati represented India at the 2016 Rio Paralympics, Olympic medalist in the high jump.
आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारे चौथे टीम की तरफ. It's time for your performance on Need for Speed. अगर आप तैयार हैं,
Yes.
take that nervousness away. आप 40 points को beat कर सकते हैं. Believe it, know it.
आपका समय 60 सेकंड्स का शुरू होता है अब।
Which former country did Germany try to invade under the Operation Barbarossa?
USSR. USSR.
Which element with symbol PM is named for a character from Greek mythology?
Pass.
Which is the highest mountain that is completely in India?
Kanchenjunga.
Wrong. Which content sharing platform was acquired by LinkedIn in 2012?
SlideShare.
That's correct. Which IPL team did Suresh Raina captain in the 2016 edition
Gujarat
of the
Lions.
tournament? That's correct. How do we better know the politician Vladimir Ilyich Ulyanov?
Lenin.
That's correct. From whom did Ravan take the Pushpak Viman?
Kubera.
That's right. In which film did Irfan portray the role of Dr. Rajit Ratha?
Pass.
Which UN organization with its headquarters in Geneva is headed by Guy Ryder?
FAO.
That is incorrect. But I have to say, that's 9 questions attempted and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answered correctly.
It's fantastic.
That is a really brilliant start. बहुत बढ़िया. आपको बता दें जिन सवालों के आपने गलत जवाब दिए या पास किए जिन सवालों को आपने उनके सही जवाब क्या हैं? Which element with symbol PM is named for a character from Greek mythology? Prometheum. That is correct. Which is the highest mountain that is completely in India?
K2.
Nanda Devi. In which film did Irfan portray the role of Dr. Rajit Ratha?
Amazing Spider-Man 2.
The Amazing Spider-Man. That's right. And which UN organization with its headquarters in Geneva is headed by Guy Ryder?
UNESCO.
It's the ILO.
पहले राउंड में ही शतक जमा दिया इन्होंने।
बिल्कुल, और ये सेमीफाइनल की बात है ना, इट्स ऑल अबाउट मोर पॉइंट्स। पर आगे बढ़ते हैं, आगे बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स जीतने के मौके मिलेंगे आपको, हासिल करने के मौके मिलेंगे। तो दिस ब्रिंग्स अस टू द एंड। ये है पहले राउंड का एंड और स्कोर्स ऐसे दिख रहे हैं। टीम सी हैदराबाद इज एट 20, टीम ए एंड बी पटना एंड भोपाल दोनों ने 40-40 पॉइंट हासिल किए हैं। और एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फॉर आवर लीडर द मोमेंट दिल्ली, जिन्होंने 100 पॉइंट हासिल किए हैं। व्हाट अ वंडरफुल स्टार्ट।